Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, dear students. How are you? Today we will be with each other and metric units of length. Hmm, Teacher, what will we learn in a lesson like this? I'm going to tell you. We will learn how do we measure the length of the objects around us. For example, if I ask you, Faris, could you find the length of your book? Or for example, if I said, Qamar, could you find the length of your notebook? For example, if I said, Khaled, what about taking or finding the measure or the length, measuring the length of your pen? Or I said, Talha, use your ruler in order to find the length of each object. So I will learn how do I find the lengths of the objects around me in order to know. We will see a lot of applications in our lives. So let's get it started. What will we learn? We will learn how to estimate and measure the length of objects around us in centimeters and decimeters, and we will understand and apply the relationship between these two units. So we have very close friends we will learn today, getting started with centimeter, which is abbreviated by cm. Centimeter, okay? Centimeter. Now I want to ask you, when do we see this friend? When do we use this friend? Actually, it's a unit which is used for the small and tiny things. For example, if I have a tiny ant and it is walking just a few and tiny steps, so these steps will be measured using centimeter. And if I told you find the width of your finger, so my finger is short and its width is too much smaller than its length, so the width is measured by centimeters. Now, what about decimeter? This is the second different decimeter, which is abbreviated by dm. Decimeter. For example, if I ask you to find the length of your pencil, but if you bought it recently, I mean, you just bought your pencil right now and you decided to measure the length of it. It's too much tall, okay? You did not use it before. So this pencil will be measured using decimeter. How, teacher? So what is the difference between centimeter and decimeter? I'm going to tell you that the decimeter is a bit bigger than the centimeter. For example, this pencil or this A4 paper, which is large a little bit. So we will use decimeters in order to measure